Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the American Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But first open the application on your phone and then tap on the book flights button down below. And then you should select your type of trip, such as round trip, one way or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point, so type it into the search bar. After typing it in, you should select your destination, select your departure point and then your return date. After that, you should select the number of passengers, the class, such as business or first, and then you should tap on the search button down below, and after that you will be able to select from the relevant options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.